What is up guys, this is Shady Tech and today I have Honor TWS earphone, a professional active noise cancellation, touch control noise cancellation during call. This is simply called as TWS earphone and I believe it is also called as Honor Magic Earbuds. So you got the model here, WAL-AT020. And on the back you got all the specification in different kind of language, and down below you got all these certification here. So left, right, nothing, and this is a sealed box as you can see, and this is gonna be my first time unboxing this TWS. Alright, so you open it from the side. It's kind of nice because this is kind of like a magnetic side opener here. You can even hear the sounds of the magnetic in place. Right, so open it up, you'll be presented by the charging case and carrying case if you would like to call it. Let's just peel this off real quick and we'll take a look later on and put it aside first. And what we have down below. Right on top here you got your usual cable, charging cable, USB 2. I believe this is, yes, this time it is USB-C cable. Flypods Lite. I believe it is micro USB, so it's a nice upgrade that they changed it to USB-C this time. Okay, so put that aside first. Okay, for the other box you got warranty card. It's pretty much it, nothing else. Now I'm not supposed to know if this is actually the retail packaging, because what I got here is a pre-release, not for sale marketing purposes box, so it doesn't even include any extra earbuds, everything. Oh, you got it here, I'm sorry, I almost missed it. Okay, last look at the box and we'll put it aside now. Let's see what we have inside here. So you got your couple of extra earbuds here for obviously the size differences. Alright, so let's get on with the Honor again. So this time the Honor branding, the logo in the front appears to be a little bit bigger than the Flypods Lite. But around the case, I think it's pretty similar, even the size is actually kind of similar. So this is my palm and this is the size of the case. Right, just a little bit smaller than my palm. And from the side you can see it's about that. And from the back you got the charging port and a single button here for on and off, and also for connecting to Bluetooth. Okay, so at the back here you got the same something. Charging case model, and this comes with 410 milliamp battery, Huawei technology made in China, and so on. So first time open this thing up. Alright, so you got presented by it with the earpiece. Also this is kind of nice, a little bit different of the design this time around. So this time it's the same, you got your in-ear earbuds, so it will definitely doing very well isolating all your surrounding sound with your ear. And you got your microphone here, another microphone here, down below, speaker I believe also, and at the back you got your magnetic pin with the sensor over here. This sensor is for you to know if you have your earbuds in your ear or off your ear. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it with Honor branding here. The other one, okay, so I'm gonna put this thing up. Okay, welcome back. Apparently there's no juice on my case, charging case, so I went to charge it just now. So I figured out how to connect this. It's pretty easy this time. When you open the case, there's a indicator light here blinking in white color, which means it's like in pairing mode now. And down below you got a green. I believe this is for the battery level. So got my phone here, and here it shows as Huawei Walrus 4132, and apparently this is the name of the device. It's set up here, so it's in charging. As you can see, it's only 5% on both of the earpiece. And for the charging case, let me show you. And for the charging case, you're looking at 90%. So when I press setup, you can see you can change the name obviously. Call audio, media audio, contact sharing, device information. So the device information that I got is 1.0.9.04 as of now. So I might be looking at a firmware update if there's any update at all now. Let's see. Okay, I don't think there's any firmware update for now. So yep, that's pretty much it. What you can do from the phone, and it's in pairing mode now. So let's see. So from switch to audio, you have to switch to Huawei Walrus here. So it will perform from here. Let me see. Alright, so I've already tested. Apparently this time on the left side, if you double tap it, it will pause or play the music as the same as on the right. So left and right appears to have the same function. Now I'm gonna put the earpiece, one of the earpiece, right in front of the microphone, and I'll just show you quickly how it sounds like. Wow. Hopefully you got some idea how this sounds, and I would say the bass is pretty heavy on this one. I mean, wow, the bass and the clarity is on point, and even the speaker is really loud. I mean, it produced quite a loud sound, and I was only on like medium setting, but I can hear it's like boosts a lot of the clarity into my ear. And I'm alright. Better put this back and let it charge. If you put it back here, you'll see the indicator is red, which means it's charging. Alright, that's pretty much it. This is just a quick unboxing and a quick look at Honor. It's called Honor TWS earphone, and I believe it's also called the Magic Earbuds. So that's it from me, Shady Tech. I'll see you guys again in the next video, where I'll be doing testing and do a full review of this TWS real soon. See you guys again soon. Bye.